Here I have HONOR X7, and today I'm going to show you how to enable device watermark in camera on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, then tap on the gear icon to access its settings and enable watermark here. So just for an example, let's take some photo to show you how this watermark will look like. So here you have HONOR X7 48 megapixels quad cam. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.